Oh, snap. You could use a battery to move your phone? Hey, what's up, man? Yeah.
I got sick playing Fortnite.
Yeah, you have some Ligma?
Yeah, dude, it's the worst.
What's that? What's Ligma?
Dude, do you even Fortnite?
Oh, come on.
Fortnite is like the best.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Oh,
I
dude,
didn't
you
see you.
there?
I'll call you back. What's up? I didn't see you there. What's up? Whoa. Oh, yeah, welcome to another episode of Guava Reacts. Today, we're going to be reacting to some phone hacks, okay? Specifically from 5-Minute Crafts. 5-Minute Crafts, I don't know where you get your ideas from, but they're truly amazing, and that's why we are going to watch it and possibly attempt some of it. Let's get started right into this video here. Yeah, 5-Minute Crafts. Cool phone hacks. All right, cool. All right, we have a Coke bottle. What are you gonna do there? Oh, is this where she's gonna watch TV? Oh, wow, a tripod. You can use a Coke bottle for a tripod. Wow, I want to try that out. Okay, so we have some water and we have some rubber bands. This is actually work. Are you kidding me? Okay, so we gotta take the water bottle, phone here, like this. Get the rubber band. Please don't snap in my fingers. I will be so mad at you. And then go right here. Wow! Now you have your own personal tripod. Or you can use it as a handle. Hello?
What's Fred Flintstone's wife?
Wait, what's Fred Flintstone's wife? Her name's Wilma.
Is it Wilma Nutty?
Wilma Nuts. What? Oh, ew! No. Not falling for it. Okay, let's go to the camera. Wow! Perfect. Let me take a picture real quick. Here we go. I'm gonna do this. Cheese. Perfect! Wow, check out this picture. Isn't it great? Perfectly great. Like nothing's like obstructing the camera lens. It looks wonderful. And then you can just drink whatever drink you have. Okay. Next, balloon. Oh no. Oh dear. What? Okay, so you can use a balloon if you want to have a phone case. Blow it up and then push it down. Okay, let me show you how that works real quick. This is the right way to do it. Or does it even work? You know, you watch all these videos, people don't even try it. So my duty is to make sure it does work. So here we go. Let me just take off my phone case. Apparently, balloon cases is where it's at nowadays. Take the phone, okay, and then put it on the balloon like this, and then slowly push it down while air flows right to it. Just like that. How'd you do that, sir? Ma'am? Hello? You just press it down. What? Let me try that one more time. Okay. Went down like this, and then we just pressed it down. Like that. No! I'm gonna get this, okay? Actually, I learned this magic trick. Not this one, but I learned an actual magic trick using a phone in a balloon. You can put your phone inside of a balloon really quickly. You wanna know how? Let me show you. Okay, really quickly, this is how you put a phone inside of a balloon. Phone, balloon. Wow, this balloon is really wet. You see all my saliva. But that doesn't matter, because this phone is about to be in a balloon. Ready? Here we go. Watch closely. Oh! Okay, so I think the solution is with the size of the phone. This phone is too big, so I have here a smaller looking phone. And the color the person uses blue, I was using red. So you gotta make sure you have a blue balloon or else this doesn't work at all. Let's try this one more time. So let's try the first method. This is how you get your phone case, okay? 1, 2, 3. All right, I got it. Kind of. I cheated, but it did work. Check that out. Check this out. Okay, that's the one method. It does work if you do it right, but this is trippy, okay? Listen to me. This is a real magic trick. I'm not lying. You think I'm lying? I can actually put your phone inside of the balloon. Check this out. Okay, this phone is about to go inside the balloon. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, see, your phone is literally inside the balloon. How do you get it out? I don't know. Whose phone is this? Sorry. Here you go. I'm so sorry. Gotta get your phone out of your balloon. Sorry. Woo, that was a long segment.